Hi, I am Nick Clements, and welcome to the channel. There have been so many new people stopping by recently. It's been awesome. I know a lot of you are here because of Jazza, whether the first time or the more recent second time. I cannot thank that man enough for what he has done for me. The amount of eyes that he has put on the things I am doing and making is incredible. Just the fact that you took his recommendation and came and checked out my stuff and then stayed for any amount of time is incredible. It truly does boggle my mind that what I'm doing here gets any views at all, and I appreciate every single one. Now, most of what you find on this channel is project-oriented. I'm usually either making something or building something or the occasional software tutorial, but I do hold carte blanche. Anything I want to upload, I can. That's really been a staple since day one. If I like it, if it interests me, then it's worth putting on my channel. And if others find interest from it, that is fantastic. That is absolutely amazing. And if they don't, that's okay too. I would never want to force anyone to watch my videos, especially if they're not interested in what I'm doing. So I hold carte blanche over what I post, and you hold carte blanche over how you watch, which is really how it always works. But sometimes, as the viewer, we feel pressured to watch what our favorite creators are making, and sometimes as creators, I'm sure they feel pressured to make what the viewers want. Now, I of course take into consideration what people might find interesting, and that always is in the back of my mind, and that certainly does guide the type of things that I may or may not post. My channel trailer mentions animation and music, and those are two things that I was always really passionate about, and I really haven't done them much. But I put those in the trailer as a reminder, as inspiration to go back and try those things, to write a song again, to sit down and make an animation. So hopefully one day, sooner than later, you'll see some of that varying type of content. Now, I actually have a staggering number of videos currently in progress, and I'm almost done with the one that I was gonna post today, but I figured I'd give myself just a little bit more time to finish that one, do it right, do it well, and instead just make this quick video welcoming all the newcomers, thanking all of the people that have been here, and I figured we could try a Q&A. If for whatever reason I interest you and facts about who I am interest you, I would be more than happy to answer them. So if you have a question for me, leave it in the comments. I'll answer them all in the next video. And if nobody cares, that's fine too. I'll just post another project and we'll just keep this more business casual.
I don't know what that means.
Anyway, again, just thank you so much. I do genuinely appreciate any interest you have in what I'm doing here. And I really do look forward to answering your questions, should you have any. But for now, my sincere thank you for watching. Once again, I am Nick Clements. If you're wondering, Nick is short for Nicholas, and the D stands for 3,400. Damn, that's a lot of people. Anyway, I'm off to make something else. What? A purely talk to camera video? I think not. So I have this tripod, and one of the clamps is broke, so you can no longer lock the leg in place. Thankfully, there's a really easy fix for that. You can just use a pipe clamp. So now, extend the leg, tighten the clamp, locked in place, as good as new. When you're done, loosen the clamp. There you go, that's it. Perfectly working tripod again. Now, of course, that does mean you need to have a screwdriver on hand whenever you want to use it. So, can we do better? I think we can. How about a 3D printed knob? Glued onto the pipe clamp. All right, check it out. We can extend it, lock it in place. It's secured. Loosen it up, close it back down. Perfectly functioning tripod again. No extra tools needed. Forward to answering your questions, should you have any. I can't talk.